Today is our annual 5K, pancake breakfast, and fun run and walk. We like to coordinate this event to promote physical activity. We like to keep everybody moving, doing something fun, get everybody together, and have a good time and make some memories. We've been doing this run, I believe this is our fourth or fifth year. I think it's our fourth year. And we've always had a great turnout. We have some wonderful support out of our community in Pine Hill. We have a wonderful baseball program, a ton of volunteers who dedicate so much of their time and their heart to these kids, and we really appreciate everybody's support.